If your coffee kombucha tastes off, flat, or just plain wrong, you're probably making one of these mistakes. Delicious. Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along with my coffee kombucha mini series, you know that we have already learned how to brew it and how to flavor it. But if you're new here, thanks for watching. And after you finish this video, make sure you watch the previous two videos. Okay, let's get into how to fix your coffee kombucha so you don't waste time or ingredients so that yours tastes just like mine. Delicious. Okay, mistake number one is using your main SCOBY to make coffee kombucha. You cannot use your main SCOBY to make coffee kombucha because now you don't have a SCOBY for your regular tea-based kombucha. And this is the fastest way to ruin both your tea and your coffee batches. Next is allowing your coffee kombucha to ferment too long. Coffee kombucha can turn harsh very quickly. It's important that you do taste tests during your first fermentation to make sure that you can completely dial into the coffee kombucha taste that you're looking for. Mistake number three is using the wrong coffee. Avoid using flavored coffee, such as a hazelnut flavored coffee or a vanilla flavored coffee, and also avoid using oily coffee beans. Another problem when making your coffee kombucha is that there's no fizz. This means that you didn't use enough sugar during your second fermentation process, or that your bottles didn't seal properly, or that the environment was too cold. And the last mistake when making coffee kombucha is bad taste. If your coffee kombucha is too bitter, you need to shorten your fermentation time. If it's too flat, add sugar and allow your second fermentation to go a little longer. And lastly, if your coffee kombucha is too strong, dilute it. So these are your common mistakes, but quick solutions to fixing your coffee kombucha. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn coffee kombucha into a part of your daily routine. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment coffee if you want more recipes and tips in this coffee kombucha mini series. Thanks for watching, and may all your kombucha be fizzy and delicious.